What's up guys, it's BT here, and this is the review of the Sennheiser True Wireless Momentums. Now, I've been using these earbuds as my daily drivers on the go over my AirPod 2s for the last couple of months, and I wanted to let you guys know my experience with them. In the box, you'll get a charging case that's made up of this gray cloth material. I've never felt or seen another true wireless charging case like this one. The charging case is very pocketable and easy to carry around. In the time that I've been using them, they've caught so many people's eyes wanting to know what they are. On the charging case, it's got a button and a battery indicator on the back to show the level of the case. Also in the box, you'll get 3 sets of ear tips so you can get the right fit, and a USB-C charging cord for charging the case. The headphones are this nice black with some silver accents. I like the look of them overall, but that doesn't really matter to me. What matters to me and most of you guys out there is the comfort, and these deliver on that. They have this smooth plastic construction that kind of twists and locks into place in your ear. Now, these are a little bit bigger than a lot of what's out there, including like the Jabras or the AirPods, but the comfort is still like incredible. Like, I've never felt like these were gonna fall out once. They also block out a ton of noise. I've been startled so many times, too many to count. People just walking up and tapping me on the shoulder and I just jump. It's been crazy. So these block out a ton of noise. This also makes them amazing for the gym, as you can enjoy your music distraction free and really focus on your workout. These are IPX4 rated, making it sweat proof. The left earbud controls your music. 1 tap plays or pauses the song, 2 taps is the next song, 3 taps is the previous song. Holding down the left will lower the volume. Now, holding the right will actually increase the volume. 1 tap accepts calls or calls up your voice assistant like Siri or Google Assistant. 2 taps rejects calls or enables the transparent hearing. Now, the battery life is rated at 4 hours, which is around what I was getting, and then you get 2 extra charges, giving you about 12 hours in total. I would like to see Sennheiser push for 6 hours to be competitive with the Apple AirPods, especially when they're trying to push for another $100 over the AirPods. Now, the mic quality is actually really good. People can actually hear me, unlike some of the other true wireless earbuds out there. That's what always kept me going back to Apple and never leaving them. You know, people might hate on the AirPods, but for calls, there's nothing better. So let's drop a sound test for you guys right now on the mic quality on these earbuds. What's up guys, it's BT here, and this is a test of the microphone on the Sennheiser True Wireless earbuds. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below on like how they sound. Is it too bassy? Does it sound hollow? Let me know down in the comments. Now, the sound is where the True Wireless Momentums really shine. Now, these are some of the most well-balanced True Wireless earbuds on the market. They bring that great Sennheiser sound. They are a great all-arounder with their default sound signature. There's a lot of bass for you bass lovers out there, and tons of clarity without the harshness in the treble. The Smart app also allows you to EQ these even more, so if you want more bass, mids, or highs, you can do that as well. And you guys know me, I'm a huge fan of this, because you aren't stuck with just one sound signature, because as we all know, all music isn't created equally. Classic music needs a different profile than rap would. One thing that I think they should change is the equalizer setting. Now, when you move it towards like the bass, it affects the mids and the highs at the same time. I wish you were able to just affect one at a time. I think that's easy with like an app fix. That's more of an app thing than the actual headphones themselves. Also in the app, you can control transparent hearing, which allows outside noise to come in so that you can be aware of your surroundings. This is magic, because before I turned this on, I couldn't hear a thing around me. So this is going to be key for stopping and talking to people in the gym without having to take out your earbuds, or if you're on a run outside and you need to hear your surroundings for safety issues. Another thing that I love about these True Wireless earbuds is that they don't break connection in crowded places. This is something a lot of companies haven't perfected yet. And Sennheiser is one of the few, there's very few that have really nailed it down with this Bluetooth 5.0. There's no delay when watching YouTube or videos on your phone. To pair them, all you have to do is hold the right and the left at the same time for 5 seconds and it pairs to your phone. Now, the price for some might be a turn off, but if you're looking for the highest sound quality in True Wireless earbuds, look no further. It's got all the features you could ever want, including an EQ, great fit, touch controls, voice assistants, and most importantly, a great mic when on the go. Alright guys, so that is going to do it for this review. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. It has been your boy BT saying,